Good morning everyone. This is Infinite Runner here. So today is 23rd of October 2022. So now it's running towards this water reservoir to scan the QR code first. Yeah, today is Sunday. I think the weather now is quite cooling, a bit windy, so still in the warm up stage. Slow jog to this water reservoir. Yeah, so today it's gonna be a different. Let me give you a short brief here. So we're going to this Simei part of it's the east part of Singapore. Simei, Tampines, and eventually to this Plaza Park. So yeah, today we're going to play something like a game, I think, by this Web 42 app, which is I think is a Metta runner thing. Yeah, so we're going to. I think the point of the game was the game is to run to this certain location, and you get some point. And later I will talk more about it. So please stay on to the video. So now it's running warm up. So we're going to talk more about it after the water reservoir. Thank you. See you later. Good morning everyone. Yeah, just passed by the water reservoir, scanned 2 QR code. Now I'm on this Changi BCN towards this Budok industrial direction. Budok North, I think it's where the area of all the food is manufactured. So yeah, today we're gonna have a different kind of video. So I think the point is to have this application called Web 42. So there's a Geo-location game inside where you have to run to this certain location in certain part of Singapore to gain some points. So let me show you what's the app. So this is an app here. So at the bottom, I think there's one, call it Singapore Pool Metta Virtual Race 2022 Geo-location. So once you enter it, you'll see this pop-up with this hike with Ello. So yeah, this is the name of the game. So what we have over here is total of 90 minutes to tag all the point, tag all the location. So what I'm over here is going to choose the east region. So I'm going to, okay, as you can see, there's a 20 attempt over here. So I have attempted once. So at the time I did not know what's the rules of the game. So what I did is just press the head start and start walking around. So yeah, that's not the case. So you choose the east region and you can choose to explore here. Okay, if you zoom out, you'll see there's a lot of love heart shape, and there's also some question mark icons on the map itself. So as you can see, it's very close to this Changi hospital. So that will be one of the landmarks that we are going towards now. So what I'm have over here is on this Changi PCN. Then I'm going to exit at this Budok North Industrial Park, and then run towards this Changi Hospital and try to hit all the location. Not all the hut is having the same point. So as I can see in the previous page is I need to gain at least a minimum of 1000 points. So I'm trying my best to hit all the heart shape and the icon today if possible within 90 minutes. So I'm going to click start when I hit upon this the first question mark at this Simei MRT station. So it's getting brighter now, so I think should be you can do without this torchlight, although I bring a torchlight here. So I'm not sure whether how do we gain the point. Do we just walk over or need to scan some certain thing? I'm not sure. So yeah, we're going to go ahead to run towards that location, to this Bedok North Industrial Park, and hopefully I can find a way to cross over to this Changi Hospital. I saw there's a overhead bridge across the road, so I'm not sure whether it's that accessible to the public. So yeah, just hopefully that's the plan for today. I'm not sure it's going to hit above 10 Creek, so but I think there's some time factor involved to that might drag this experience to 1.5 hours or more. So if everything goes perfectly, I will reach some Plaza and I will return back to my starting point at this Kaki Bukit, and I will give you guys update along the way. Please stay on to the video, stay tuned and find out what's going on in the later part of the video. So now we're going to cross over this beautiful long overhead bridge. So yeah, see you guys then. Thank you.
Give me something to hold on to hold on to. Give me something to hold on to hold on to. I fell for you. I won't let go. I won't let go. I fell for you. I won't let go.
Hi everyone, I'm now at this Bedok Industrial Park E. So I'm not sure if there's a overhead bridge leaping from this industrial park, or now I'm at this another part of the industrial park. So we're going to run ahead to see if there's a overhead bridge for us to cross over to the other side, which is the Changi Hospital. So we're just going to run ahead and see what we have at the end of this area. So I'm going to search for the overhead bridge. Hopefully I do not need to return back to the main road. Oh, yeah, I think I saw the main road. Oh, okay, that's nice. I think I saw it. So it's already actually on my right side. So I need to find a way to actually allow me. Oh yeah, just nice. So this is the linkage that link us back to the this main road. So this is just now the other part of the industrial park that I mentioned. So it's also have a side gate to actually allow you to go to the the overhead bridge is just right in front of me, straight down. So I'm not sure if you guys can see on the video. So I'm going to run further down so that you guys can see much more clearer. So this is kind of a shortcut to the Simei. Otherwise we got to take a longer route, which is by Google. I think the Google Map does not provide this route, so you need to actually search around the area. Normally in Singapore, there's also most of the time they have an alternative way to cross. Most of the time, the only time that I didn't have any passageway is to at this railway run. I think that was a very long. I think it's stretched along that part of the. Then you have to go up to the Bukit Timah right here to exit the run. So this is the overhead bridge now. So we're gonna cross over, and once we pass the Changi Hospital, we should be reaching the Simei MRT soon. And see you guys. Thank you. Hi everyone, I'm now at this East Mall, just behind of me. So I'm not sure what will happen if I click start now. I think I'm somewhere near the reference point. So let's see. I'm gonna press start. Start.
3, 2, 1, go!
It's pointing towards this direction, so I'm not sure. I think we're somewhere close, but I'm not sure where is it. So we need to go cross over to the other side of the building. How you going to work? I think still searching for the. Now I'm going to run around this building to see whether you can get any points. Thank you very much. Yeah, hello everyone. Yeah, I think I got it. So you need to walk close to that point and click on the icon, and you'll pop up a question to ask you how old is the Metta. So the answer is 30. So once you got it in, there's a pop-up to say congratulations, you got it. And now I'm going to go forward for the next point. So how do I close this one? Yes. Okay, now I got 150 points. So I need to go up to the next waypoint. So I need to zoom out, which is along the main road. So I need to go back to the main road. And I'll see you guys again. Thank you. Okay, now I'm very close to this second waypoint. So it's at this bus stop, so I'm not sure. Maybe I can click. Oh, collect 100 points. Oh, that's 100 points. So I need to go for the next point. Yeah, I need to click on that little icon to get the point. So that's the game. Good. So we are going to next point, which is further down, and then I need to turn left at the junction. I think it's opposite of the bus stop. So let's go. Thank you. Sorry, just to update. Actually, you do not need to be very close to that point. As you can see now, although I have not really reached the bus stop yet, so I managed to click the icon and I get the point. Yeah, that's the interesting game. So now we are going ahead to this Metta school to get more points. I think it's 400 points, 2 of them. So that should be able to allow us to clock the minimum point for this run, which is 1000 points. Thank you. See you guys again. Okay, just to update, although we have 400 points over here, but I misanswered the earlier one. So this is actually one of the sample of these 400 point questions. So just now the one is the I can't remember. So once I click, they'll pop up a dialog for this 400 point. But you need to answer it correctly, otherwise you will have a miss questions and you will not gain the point anymore. Okay, so I need to answer this one properly. 400 point, and see you guys again later on. Thank you. Okay everyone, this is the pop-up dialog when you try to click when you are not away, you are much further away from this checkpoint. So you can see now I actually got 2 do not give up sign, which is because I answered the question wrongly. So now I need to cross over to the other side to get the other waypoint, 400 point. So yeah, that's it. This is not an easy game, eh? So it's not a matter of just run to the location and click on the icon and get the point. So there are some certain criteria for those much higher point, which is the 400 point. You need to actually answer the question correctly. So in my case, I answered these 2 questions wrongly, so I did not get the, I missed out the 800 point. So now I'm running towards the next 400 point to see what's the question is this, and then before I can get it correctly. And see you guys again. Thank you. Okay everyone, yeah, I got this, the third 400 point. That was a easier question, so the answer is all the above. So now I actually also collected the other 100 point near this the 4th checkpoint. So now I'm going to go forward for this, the other one, and see how it goes. Okay, still much further away, so I need to walk this side. Okay, let's go for it. and I'll see you guys again. Thank you. Okay, now I hit another. Okay, by the way, this is also, last time I was coming from this direction. So this is walking towards this Sun Plaza. So now I click on this next checkpoint. There's this 150 point question. A plus B equals 60. B minus C equals 65. C equals 30. Wow, this is a difficult question, man. I need to work it offline, and see you guys again. Thank you. Okay, now I'm at this Sun Plaza, which is quite close to the center of the Sun Plaza park here. So now the next question is 150 points. So we got to tap here. Which park are you at now? Okay, this is quite obvious. And now we're at this Sun Plaza. Okay, congratulations, you got it. So now we go proceed on to the next waypoint and the next 150 point, and we are done for the day. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, now we have the last question of the day, which is the 150 point. Let's go and click. How many welfare centers does Metta have island-wide? Wow. That means I need to answer this question properly. And this is this Tampines Eco Green. So I think it's about 2 to 1 km kind of distance. So before we head back to this, I don't think we're going to run this one today. So after I answer this question, I need to work it offline. Maybe we go back to this starting point already, because I think the weather is also not so good. Okay, thank you. Hi everyone. Yeah, I got the last question answered wrongly. So now we got this, I think I got close to about 2,000 points. So it said congratulations, map completed. So I will choose to exit. Time's up. Okay, so that's end of what we have today. So not sure if we can explore again. Oh, we can actually do it again. Oh, it seems like you can do it again and again. Oh, I got it, now it's 10. So answer is 10. So I think we can do it again. Okay, I think we are running back. Today is already 11 km. So not sure how it goes to. I think it's going to take a while to run back also. So running back and see you guys again. Thank you.
Give me something to hold on to hold on to. Give me something to hold on to hold on to. I fell for you. I won't let go. I won't let go. I fell for you. I won't let go.
Everyone, yeah, this is, I just came out from this Reservoir Park. So yeah, all the way from Tampines until now, no video. So right in front of us is this Home Team NS club. So as you can see now, it's still under construction, but it's still much better than what we have last update. So I'm not sure what are they having left to go. So I think on the left side is there's still some construction which is not completed yet. But as you can see, the main door over here seems to be quite good. From what I can see, the gym is actually facing us. So one of the window panel, which I believe so. I'm not sure if there's a swimming pool there, but I think there's some swimming recreation facility for family oriented activity. I'm not sure what's on the right side, but seems to be some. I'm not sure. I don't think it's part of the Home DNS building. So yeah, as you can see on the front board there is see you in 2022. So we are now close to November of the 2022. Very soon it's going to be December, and I don't think, I'm not sure whether it's possible to complete it by then. But all the best. Seems to be able to be complete by then. So by then we should have some updates by then, near to December. Hopefully there's a good news, so we can sign up for our membership. I'm not sure if I'm from Army, so I'm not sure if I'm eligible for this NS thing. Let's see let's see how it goes. By then we should know. Okay, thank you. Okay everyone, we're now close to the end of the run for today, 23rd of October 2022 morning. I think now it's about closer to 8:30, I'm not sure, maybe 8, at least should be 8:30. So today we have gone through this Budok Reservoir, that's right, in the morning, and passed by this Budok North Industrial, cross over to this Changi Hospital, and then we try to complete this Metta run Geo-location game. So you have to go to this near to this deck, click on the deck. Either you collect point or you need to answer some question before you collect the point. So the highest point is 400, and for those 150 points, those questions are much easier. And then we have those 100 point we just, when you're close to that location, you just click and you get 100 point. Also for today I get about 2000 point. So of course I have misanswered the question at the 400 point location. I think there's two questions. There's 400 point, which is related to the Metta school. So you got to read out about the Metta school before you answer those questions. But in some cases, those questions are quite obvious. Like you ask you whether which location are you in. Just now at the Plaza Park. So naturally we know that we are in Plaza Park. So we got the 150 point easily. And then after we ended the game, we have come back from this Tampines Eco Green towards this Tampines fire station, and then we will run towards this photo reservoir again, pass by this the other side of the photo reservoir, and we come back to here now doing the wrap up. And today is 23rd of October 2022. Very good morning. I think the weather is still very good today, cloudy, cooling, windy. I think it's a perfect run for, it's a perfect day for running long distance. But unfortunately today we are not doing this very long distance. So see how it goes, and I will see you guys again in the next video. Thank you for the support, and have a nice weekday, nice weekend, long weekend, Monday public holiday, and a nice weekday ahead. Thank you for the support. See you. Bye.